Food, an essential aspect of our lives, not only sustains us but also brings joy to our tables. However, a global concern looms large: post-harvest food wastage, threatening our food security. In response to this challenge, Bajaj Processpack Limited has dedicated over 3 decades to design and manufacture innovative technologies that helps in preventing food wastage through processing and packaging. Our mission is simple: to reduce post-harvest food loss and ensure more food reaches those in need. It's not just a statement, it's a commitment to the future. Our vision is clear. We aspire for a world where small and medium-scale food producers can double their productivity and income, aligning with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 2.3 by 2030. At Bajaj Processpack, we play a pivotal role in setting up the entire farm-to-fork value chain to help add value and reduce farm wastage. Our company's design philosophy revolves around building sturdy, reliable plants, technologically suited to be operated and maintained even by semi-skilled or unskilled workers in developing countries. Founded in 1988, we are today one of the leading manufacturers of complete plant and machinery for creating and setting up, processing and packaging of fruits, vegetable, milk and dairy, beverages, mithai and central kitchen segments for the entire farm-to-fork supply chain. We take pride in establishing over 1,500 plus projects across the farm-to-fork value chain in more than 35 countries, spanning Asia, Africa, the Caribbean, and South America. Our manufacturing facilities boast of the latest sheet metal fabrication, infrastructure and machinery, duly backed by our qualified and experienced team of engineers. Our success story is rooted in world-class infrastructure, equipped with advanced technology, breathing life into our vision. Our journey begins with primary processing plants, where we set up plants to wash, sort and grade fresh fruits and vegetables, and offer new age technologies of solar or biomass-powered cold storage to store fruits post-harvest to prevent food wastage at the farm level. Venturing into secondary processing, we help turn fresh produce into value-added products like pulp, puree, paste, jams, ketchups, dehydrated and frozen foods, packed in cans, bottles and pouches for an extended shelf life and enable value addition of food. Our expertise also extends to dairy technology, ensuring high-quality dairy products from setting up primary milk collection centers, bulk milk chillers, and cold stores using eco-friendly solar-based technologies. We enable small to medium farmers and businesses to further add value to milk through processing into milk, cheese, paneer, yogurt, ice creams, etc. We have even pioneered innovative technologies for the vibrant mithai and central kitchen segments, combining traditions with modernity. In our quest for efficiency, we actively assist communities, governments, and development organizations in setting up food supply chain infrastructure. Our project planning and customer support team is adept at providing efficient and timely assistance, considering the seasonality and perishability of the products being processed. Our commitment doesn't conclude with the delivery of our technology. We take pride in offering exceptional after-sales service. Our dedicated service engineers stationed across 10 service offices worldwide ensure that your investment in Bajaj Processpack technology continues to work without breakdown for decades. Our service engineers stand ready to respond swiftly to your needs, be it routine maintenance, troubleshooting, or upgrades. With strategically located service offices spanning the globe, from Asia to Africa, the Caribbean to Latin America, our global network ensures that you are never far from the support you require.
Bajaj Processpack Limited was formed in the year 1988 with a mission to develop and offer food processing plant and machinery designed around the needs and requirements of small and medium enterprises in the developing nations across the world. These equipments were specifically designed to enable the producers, farmers, and also private sector organizations to help reduce farm wastage and increase value to the food across the world. Today, we are proud to say that we have set up more than about 1,000 plus food processing and packaging units across the farm to fork value chain in 35 plus countries, both in the government sector and the private sector.
At Bajaj Processpack, we firmly believe in providing a conducive professional environment for our team members to collaborate seamlessly, ensuring a customer-centric approach in our daily endeavors. At Bajaj Processpack Limited, we take immense pride in being pioneers on the path towards a food-secure world. Together, let's collaborate towards a future where food is cherished and not wasted.